Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. I hope your day is doing well for you. Okay, I know we're all home, locked up in our houses due to the illness that's nationwide, and I hope you're able to cope with what's going on with it, the finances, the kids home all day. You're getting to know your family, you're getting to re-love them all over again in a special way. I just hope that you can hang in there through all this mental stress. It is definitely mental stress. So I want to let you know that I made a video, and the video says Grandma Ray talked to unemployment live. Yes, I talked to unemployment on the phone, and I want you to go and catch that video. I made that video when was Thursday. Okay, it aired Thursday. So I want you to go over and watch that video. I want you to share that video because it answers all the questions that everybody wanted to ask unemployment, but they can't get through to the line. They can't get through on the computer, and so we're left frustrated with no answers. And I think I've answered quite a few of those questions that you may have. Please go over, watch the video, share the video with others, okay? Because everybody is struggling, and we all need to work together as we gather this information so that we can share it in our own way. Because, you know, unemployment may not call everybody, but they did call me, and I want to share that with you, okay? Please watch it, share it, subscribe, okay? All right, thank you. And I have a link below, a GoFundMe and a Patreon. If you would be interested in supporting this channel in any way, that would be absolutely great. Okay, all right. So what I want to show you how to make today is some juice that's going to build up your immune system. It's vitamin C juice that's going to build up your immune system. We're going to make that from scratch. And you're going to keep that in your refrigerator, and every day I want you to drink some. You don't have to drink a whole glass or anything like that. You know, even 1/4 of a cup or half a cup is perfect. Less if you could only drink less. But the idea is to make sure that you keep your system flowing with things that build up your immune system and vitamin C. Okay? Alright, so let's get started, alright? Okay, so what we have here is grapefruits. I cut open 3 grapefruits. This is a grapefruit. Okay? And I used this to squeeze the juice out. You cut it in half, and you put it on here, and you turn, and you put it over a bowl, and the juice comes out at the bottom here, as you can see. Okay, and so that's what I use to get the juice out of all of the fruit. Okay, so here's the juice from the grapefruit. 1 second, please. Okay, so the same thing I did with the lemon. Okay, cut it in, wash it good, cut it in half, take that off. Okay, and this is the lemon juice. Okay, the same thing with an orange. I used 2 lemons, 3 grapefruits, 2 oranges. Here's the orange. I did the same thing, washed it, took that off, cut it in half. And here's the juice from the orange. Okay, all of these have vitamin C. That's what we're looking for the infection that's going nationwide. Okay, this is our lime. I did 4 limes. And this is the juice from the lime. Okay? Okay. Now this is cranberry juice. if you want to see how I made the cranberry juice, you can go on my channel. One of the popular videos is how to make cranberry juice. You can go on there, learn how to make the cranberry juice, okay? I show you how to do that on the stove with from fresh cranberries, okay? Alright, so I put the cranberry juice, I strained it into like a colander first, and then I strained it into a very fine strainer. Let me show you that. Okay, after that, and then I put it in the refrigerator overnight. Okay, alright, so at this point we're gonna put everything together. So I'm using this so that I can pour the juice in here and it falls down into there. Okay, I feel like I don't have enough light today, so if it's dark, excuse me, I'll try to see if I can solve that problem, but I can't solve it right now. Okay, so let's start putting our juice in. So I'm going to put in the cranberry juice in the orange juice into the cranberry juice. Orange juice into the cranberry juice. Okay, now the grapefruit juice. Let me make sure you can see. And put the grapefruit juice in here. And by the way, I did strain all the juice with that same fine strainer after I extracted the juice from the fruit, okay? Okay, so now we got the lemon juice we're going to put in. And lime juice is the last one. Okay, I'm going to put the top on that and shake that up. Okay, so it's no sugar in here. Okay, so if you want to add sugar or honey, honey would be the best bet because then you're still building up the immune system with the honey, okay? Sugar, you're not doing anything other than more calories, okay? So I would suggest you add honey to it, okay? And then drink it that way. So let me get a cup. I'm going to put some honey in there for you and I'm going to drink some, okay? 1 second. Okay. Now, I have my raw honey. And I'm just going to put like maybe a teaspoonful in here. Okay. And then I'm going to pour some of our Immune Vitamin C juice. That's what we're going to call it. Immune Builder Vitamin C juice. How about that? Okay. Alright, so I'm only going to, this is a 4-ounce cup. I'm only going to put maybe, I'd say 1 ounce in there because you want to have maybe 1 ounce twice a day. Or 1/2 cup if that's easier for you. And I'm going to mix that with the honey. And if you don't want no honey at all, you don't have to have any honey. You can drink it just like that. Okay, so let me show you that. Okay, and let me turn the camera so you can see me drink that. Okay. It tastes between grapefruit, lime, and cranberry. That's what it tastes like to me. Now, if you want to give this to the kids, you might want to sweeten it up a little more because, you know, they don't really like bitter stuff. But the idea is to try to get them to drink some. Maybe for them, you might have to mix it with Kool-Aid or something like that. But try to give it to them. Don't fill a whole glass because you want to make sure that they drink it. So I would give them like maybe 2 ounces if you're going to mix it with something. And let them drink that down, and then you can follow up with whatever they want to drink. Okay, but that's very, very important that we keep our vitamin C up and our immune system up. I understand that the vitamin C intake, and I got this from my grandson, so you check it out and make sure that it's accurate for you, okay, that you should be taking, I think he said 2,000 milligrams of vitamin C a day, okay, to keep your system up. Now those are in forms of pills, right? In this case, this is a liquid that we made ourselves, so you just have to use your own judgment, as long as you drink it at least a couple of times a day to keep your immune system and your vitamin C up, okay? Because that's very, very important, so that we can make sure that this infection that's going nationwide don't come to you, okay? Because you are going to keep your system up and your immune system up to fight against that, okay? All right, so let me give you the word of the day, okay? The word of the day is, I don't know about you, but with this infection nationwide, I am definitely stressed to the max, and I do not like the idea of being distressed, and I want to relieve the stress from me. So what I did today is something that I don't normally do. I went to take a nap, okay, and that seemed to stop me from thinking about it and let me just relax. So try that. That's the word of the day. When you feel stressed, take a nap. Okay? All right. So that's all I have for you today. Give it a thumbs up. Share the video. If you want to know how to make the cranberry juice, go over and look at how to make cranberry juice on my channel, and then you'll see how I made the cranberry juice, and then you can incorporate with the juices that I just showed you how to make just now. Okay? All right. So until next time. Oh, and by the way, to buy a half a gallon of grapefruit juice, a half a gallon of, let's say, some lemon juice, if you can find it, a half a gallon of orange juice, and a half a gallon of lime juice, or even a quart, you would be out of a lot of money versus you bought the fruit like this and squeezed the juice out. I just wanted to point that out to you because I know we're trying to save these days, right? Okay, until next time, talk to you. Bye-bye.